Hey guys, welcome back to West Mountain Clunkers. The time has finally arrived for us to put the engine together. We've got all the parts we need, so we're going to hopefully get this thing assembled to its fullest tonight. Hopefully. But knowing that something else is going to go wrong, and it's going to be a couple weeks. But the plan is tonight, we have a build sheet, and we are ready to go. Just a couple things. When we took it to the machine shop, I think we told you guys previously that we could have ran the engine the way it was. It probably would have burned a little bit of oil. There was some scoring in a couple of the cylinders. But other than that, the engine was in spec. It would have ran just fine exactly the way it was. But we did have them go ahead and bore it 30 over. We got all the surfaces decked. They cleaned it. They fluxed it. They polished the crank. Let's see, what else did they do? They balanced it.
They balanced the rotating assembly. They put in new valve seats in the heads.
We did not get the heads ported, I don't think. Did we? The valves were just reseated, I believe. I believe that's all they did to that.
Yeah.
So the heads is just these stock cast iron heads. They're not ported. They're just reseated valves with new valves. So
I think they did a little bit more to this. I just can't. We lost the invoice somehow, so I can't remember exactly what all they did to this. It's been a couple months since we last spoke to the machine shop, or at least went over all our plans with the machine shop. But we've only had this engine back for like a week and a half or 2 weeks, about 2 weeks now. So so we got all the parts right here. We still have some parts inside. We're not gonna get to those parts tonight. Like the carburetor that we're gonna put on,
ignition system,
and stuff like that.
filters.
So right now it's just all mechanical stuff that we'll be putting on, and then after that we're gonna paint the engine, and then we will be able to lock it up in the engine bay and get some engine mounts made for it. So let's get started.
All right. guys, so we're gonna wrap up this video where we're at right now. Reason being is we gotta order a few more parts. We had an issue with putting the dipstick in. The outside diameter of the dipstick was just slightly too large for the dipstick hole. And we kind of mangled the dipstick tube trying to put it in and out. So we have to get a new dipstick tube, hopefully one that fits. The pickup, the oil pickup, wherever it's at. Chance of grabbing it. So the outside diameter of this tube right here is way too big for the inside diameter of the hole it slots into underneath. And apparently they don't reproduce 69 472 specific pickup tubes, apparently. And especially since we're going with a rear sump oil pan, they're a lot harder to come by. So we're gonna try to modify that pickup tube to work. Also, we forgot to order push rods. There's a miscommunication when he was ordering parts. So we're gonna order new push rods, and so we can get the rockers on. This one's on just so we can.
We're testing the valve covers.
Yeah, we're just doing some test fitments. So, and then we're gonna paint the engine too. We'll powder coat the valve covers.
So the next video is more or less going to be dressing up the engine, painting, putting everything on, the thermostats, distributors, valve covers. That's manifold, intake manifold. I mean, that's really about it.
Yeah. So, yeah, we're getting pretty close. As soon as we can get the stuff we have to order, it's just a matter of putting it together and throwing it in the car. So, yeah, that's where we're gonna end this video. So we really appreciate you guys watching. Please hit like, subscribe, hit the bell notification button, share this video, and once again, I know I said it last video, but only like 10 of our viewers are returning subscribers. 90% of our viewers are not subscribed. So if you could absolutely hit that subscribe button, it'll help us a lot. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. We're so close.
We're like one.
Right now we're at almost 850, I believe. Maybe a little less than that. So
we're pretty close.
yeah, we're really close. So if you guys can just help us out, we would really appreciate it. So once again, thanks for watching. So
All right. See you guys next time. Trying to fire it up.